Hi everyone, welcome back to the story of my journey with HSS. Okay, lay down. Lay down. As you can see, I've made it back home and I am back home with Mia, and tomorrow marks 2 weeks since my limb lengthening and ankle fusion procedure at Hospital for Special Surgery. These past couple of days since being home has been quite an adjustment. It has been a little bit of a transition, trying to get somewhat of a sense of normality, if that makes sense. Um, it's been a very painful recovery so far, but I know that that was to be expected. Just trying to kind of gain a sense of acceptance as well at this point for myself, to accept that this is how it's going to be, not just for the next couple of days or weeks, but for the next couple of months. So it's been a lot. It's definitely been a lot to all take in at once, but I'm just happy to finally be back home in my own bed, and so that really helps a lot for the mental aspect of it. But um, so I've been trying to get somewhat of a routine down. Um, I have limb lengthening that I'm doing 4 times a day. I'll be transitioning back down to 3 times shortly. And if anybody follows me on Instagram, it's this big contraption that goes over my leg, and there's metal that's inside of the magnet piece. And so it goes over my leg, and essentially you just line up the magnet and it lengthens. And so we do that. And there's also pin care that's involved, and I do that every night to ensure the safety of the pin sites and making sure that they're sterile and clean. I do daily injections of blood thinners to make sure that that's being monitored as well. Um, Little daily tasks that I once found to be very easy, just going to the bathroom, taking a shower, anything like that, is now a daunting experience. It takes a lot out of me. So, like I said, it's all these new things that I'm just really trying to get accustomed to, and it hasn't even been a week yet. So, it's going to take a while for sure. But it has been great to have my family here, and as a matter of fact, without their love and support and help, I wouldn't be able to do this. So I could never thank them enough, and it's only week 1, so they've been amazing. My Mia has been through it all with me as well, always there for me. My little support therapy dog. I'm doing physical therapy 3 times a week. I have in-home physical therapy right now. She comes to my home, and I love her. She's amazing. We are doing a lot of mobility training, a lot of flexing, a lot of learning how to essentially walk with my new ankle. As a matter of fact, I had a session not too long ago this afternoon, so I figured I'm icing and elevating my foot right now, so I thought this was a good time to do my video. So, um, but yeah, and every day, every time she comes in, we do something new, and so I'm learning a lot of things that I can do on my own when she's not here, for the offset days. And so I do it about 6 to 8 times a day, depending on how I'm feeling, but it's very important to keep up with that. So that definitely keeps me busy as well. Um, it's funny, the days just kind of actually fly by, but I'm always having to do something. So the days just kind of roll into the next, which is really good. Getting outside just to get some fresh air is really important as well. It's been very hot actually, so fresh air in the sense that it's a cool, refreshing is not exactly it, but that's okay. Um, I have a wheelchair, so we go for walks in the evening when it cools off, so that's really nice just to get out a little bit. So it's been hard. I'm not gonna lie, it's been really hard, but it's been good because I'm learning that now it's how it's going to be. And it's a lot of trial and error. I'm learning what is working for me and what's not working. Um, if I find something to be too difficult, then I figure it out and how to do it a different way where it's not so much of a challenge for me. So something as simple as sleeping, I'm now able to sleep on my side because I was able to find a big pregnancy pillow, believe it or not, and it wraps around my entire body, and I'm able to kind of cocoon myself inside of it. And so it makes it very easy for me to prop up my foot and sleep on my side, which is so much more comfortable than sleeping on my back. Um, Going in the shower, I was using my crutches to get in and out of the shower, whereas now with my chair, I'm able to sit and stand using the chair as a prop. So little things you learn as you go. So, but like I said, it's only been a week, so I'm sure as the week goes on, as the time goes on, I'm gonna learn a lot more. So, but physical therapy has been great. I've been really enjoying that a lot. I'll be doing that in home for about a month or so, a little bit more before I transition over to IMG. So I look forward to continuing that here at home. I return back up to New York next week. I leave on Wednesday, and Thursday is my first appointment since my surgery. So I'm eager to see how much length I've grown and kind of see how everything is recovering and progressing along. So check back in with me next week and I'll give you an update. And until then, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support and all of your kind well wishes. Please keep them coming because they truly brighten up my day. Thank you so, so much. So until next week, I really appreciate it. And from me and Mia, bye for now.